What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating unlimited Gmail accounts without the need for phone number verification. This technique is especially useful for those looking to manage multiple accounts for various purposes, such as business, social media, or personal projects. Follow the steps to unlock your ability to create as many accounts as you need in 2024. First, open any web browser like Google Chrome or any browser you prefer. After that, go to this website, type this, and after that, click the Sign In button at the top right of the screen. While we are in the Sign In tab, click Sign In with Google for easy process of sign in. Now click I am not a robot. After that, click Accept. While you are in the dashboard, click the Explore tab at the top of the website screen. In the Explore tab, scroll down until you find a Format tab and click it. In the Format tab, check the box of Lab tab. After that, scroll down until you find a Tour of Google Cloud Sustainability. Now you locate a Tour of Google Cloud Sustainability. Click on it. While you are in the tab of Tour of Google Cloud Sustainability, click Start Lab at the upper right of the website screen. Now it will generate the username, password, and project ID. Try to use it by logging into your Google account. You may now have the knowledge to create unlimited Gmail accounts without phone number verification. This can be particularly useful in managing multiple online identities. Remember to follow the steps carefully and utilize the tips provided for a smooth experience. Happy account creating!
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.